I think it's it's a very important that we it's a balance between running the ball and kicking the ball. So we know that they got threats all over the park with their kickers, quality of kicking. We just make sure that we cover those kick battles scenarios, and then we just balance it out whether when we're gonna try and run it to counter those kicking battles. So yeah, that was something that we have to be very smart with it.
How important are your famed jacklers like Levani Bottia going to be in that contact area or combat area?
Very important. I think I know that we're known for trying to get our hands on the ball, but England will try to get the ball away from us, keep our breakdown honest, and I think also it's very important that we got Bottia, which is in some of our loosies, which are very good at the breakdown, but at the same time, it's a balance between not giving away soft penalties. Yeah, it's going to be a really good battle because some of their players are very good around that breakdown area.